Hi, I'm Jackie from Thermawood. We're at the Melbourne Home Show and I'm going to show you around my stand. So, this here is what we call a sash window and we retrofit. So we take out your single glazing and we replace it with a double glaze unit into your existing timber frames. So we don't take away your frames, we keep your original and you end up with a double glaze unit in your existing frames. So we can do sash windows, we can do casement windows, we can do wind out windows. We pretty much can do anything as long as it's got a timber frame around it. We do doors as well. This is an example. This is how we do our retrofit. So this is the outside view of our window. So essentially your window doesn't change any, aside from the fact that we cut a deeper rebate and you end up with a double glaze unit within your existing timber frame. We also have a really important drainage system at the bottom of our windows. This is really important when it comes to double glazing, so as we don't end up with rotten frames and we don't end up with condensating inside of our double glaze units. Over here we also do LED lights. So if you have LED lighted windows, we can do those. So what we do is we take your existing LED light window and we put it inside of a double glaze unit by inserting it inside of the unit. And so you keep your existing LED lights and we end up with a double glaze unit in your home. Protected forever, looking after them. That's a little bit about what we do. Thank you. Come and see us down at the Melbourne Home Show. Thank you very much.